Environment Canada forecast issued at 11 a.m. Wednesday, January 2nd for today and Thursday. Bay, Collingwood, Hillsdale, Midland, Coldwater, Ore Lake, Orillia, Lagoon City, Washego, today, flurries ending early this afternoon, then mainly cloudy. Temperature steady near -10. For tonight, becoming cloudy late this evening with 60% chance of flurries overnight. Low -14. For Thursday, periods of snow. Amounts 2 to 4 centimeters. Wind becoming northwest 30 kilometers per hour in the evening. High -3. Extended forecast Friday, flurries. Windy. Low -5, high 0. For Saturday, cloudy with 70% chance of flurries. Low -3, high +1. For Sunday, flurries. Low -5, high 0. For Monday, cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. Low -9, high -1. For Tuesday, cloudy with 40% chance of flurries. Low -4, high 0. Normals for the period, low -13, high -4. The Environment Canada forecast issued at 11:48 a.m. Wednesday, January 2nd for today and Thursday. Haliburton, Minden, Southern Haliburton County today, clearing near noon. Temperature steady near -15. For tonight, a few clouds. Increasing cloudiness before morning. Low -19. For Thursday, cloudy with 60% chance of flurries in the morning and in the afternoon. Periods of snow beginning early in the evening. Amounts 2 centimeters. High -6. Fenelon Falls, Balsam Lake, Park, Northern Kawartha Lakes, today, clearing early this afternoon. Temperature falling to -12 this afternoon. For tonight, clear. Increasing cloudiness late this evening. Overnight. Low -15. For Thursday, periods of snow. Amounts 2 to 4 centimeters. Wind becoming west 30 kilometers per hour late in the evening. High -3. Owen Sound, Blue Mountains, Northern Grey County, Hanover, Dundalk, Southern Grey County, today, flurries ending this afternoon, then cloudy with 40% chance of amounts 5 centimeters. Temperature steady near -5. For tonight, cloudy with 40% chance of flurries this evening and after midnight. Periods of snow beginning after midnight. Low -9. For Thursday, periods of snow. Amounts 2 to 4 centimeters. Wind south 20 kilometers per hour, becoming northwest 30, gusting to 50 late in the afternoon. High -2. Orangeville, Grand Valley, Southern Dufferin County, Shelburne, Mansfield, Northern Dufferin County, Innisfil, New Tecumseh, Angus, today, flurries ending this afternoon, then mainly cloudy. Temperature falling to -11 this afternoon. For tonight, cloudy. 60% chance of flurries overnight. Low -14 with temperatures rising to -9 by morning. For Thursday, periods of snow. Amounts 2 centimeters. Wind becoming west.
You are listening to Weather Radio Canada's monthly test of your alert-equipped weather radio, broadcast near noon, the first Wednesday of each month. Ceci est un message test émis tous les premiers mercredis du mois à midi sur Radio Météo Canada. Ce message est destiné à tester les fonctions d'activation d'alarme des récepteurs radio météo.
The Environment Canada forecast issued